This is a quick overview on how to replace the convertible pump on a Mercedes. This is on a CLK W209 chassis, but the procedure is the same on other models such as the SL and SLK. Here we have the convertible pump and we have removed it, and that's where the pump itself goes. The pump is held in place with only one 10mm bolt right here. You remove the nut from this stud right there. That's the bolt, where the bolt is. And once you do that, the next thing will be to remove the hydraulic lines and the electrical connectors. Now the hydraulic lines are held in place with 5mm Allen bolts, and you remove the 3 bolts from that plate right there, you can see, and then you pull those lines one by one by hand. And once they're all pulled out, then you can remove the whole assembly there of lines, and then you can see all the lines removed. And the next thing is the electrical connector is on the side, and you simply just press the connector and then just disconnect it. And then you also have the positive and negative, those need to be disconnected as well. And then right here you have the fill hole. Remove that brass cap right there, unscrew that counterclockwise, and that's where you will fill the reservoir. You cycle the reservoir a couple of times and top it off just to bleed the air from the system.